What is that?
It's nothing.
That's not nothing. They're cockroaches.
Cockroaches? Ew!
It's only one or two.
You may only see one, but they tend to hide. So seeing one is a good sign of a bigger problem. They can be living in cracks, behind or under your appliances, or even in your walls.
It won't hurt you.
Dad!
No one wants cockroaches in their home. They carry disease and they contaminate food. They're also unsightly and can make your home feel unclean.
They'll go away by themselves. They have legs, you know.
Dad!
They won't go away by themselves, and they reproduce quickly. A few cockroaches can quickly lead to an infestation.
Mom!
Call the problem solvers at Clark's today. Let Clark's highly trained professionals handle your pest problems with our modern and effective solutions.